Hello guys, this is Shruti and welcome to 5 Minute Tech Crafts. Today in this session, we will learn how can we make the shortcut for any frequently used software. So let's start. How can we make a shortcut? In order to do that, you have to right click on that software for which you want to make the shortcut. I will make the shortcut for Visual Studio Code. In order to do that, I have to right click on that and then go to properties and give the shortcut. If you haven't used software on this desktop, then you can simply search your software from here. Or let's give the shortcut to Word file. So simply right click on this and then click on open file location. And then at this location you have to right click on that software and then go to properties. In the shortcut key, you have to type the letter which you want to give as a shortcut key to it. So it's a word, then I will give this W, and this Alt plus Control is the inbuilt, so you can't change that. Okay, so you have to press Control Alt plus W to open this word. Okay, and in start you have to simply copy this path that will be opened here in this dialog box. Simply copy it and then paste it here. Okay, so click on the apply, then continue, then OK. So let's try it. Control Alt W. So our Word file is opened now. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful to you.